Hello, my name is Lenny Henry, and this is my book. It's called The Boy with Wings, Attack of the Rampaging Robots, and it's illustrated by Keenon Ferrell, and I wrote it. When I was a boy, I loved reading. I was a member of Dudley Library, which is where I used to live, and one of the first big books that I loved was The Lion, the Witch, and the Robot. Some children escape from World War II into a giant robot and fly to the moon. No, it was The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe by C.S. Lewis. And I loved that book because it had a talking lion in it called Aslan. And I don't know what it was, but it sort of introduced me to the world of fantasy that I love. And this book, The Boy with Wings, Attack of the Rampaging Robot, is full of fantasy and weirdness, and the lead character is called the Boy with Wings. Hello. So I think the Narnia book started me off on that journey.
Hello, my name is Keenan Ferrell, and I'm an illustrator and animator, and I illustrated the book The Boy with Wings, The Attack of the Rampaging Robot by Lenny Henry for World Book Day. One of my favorite books to read while growing up was The Snowy Day by Ezra Jack Keats. It's a book about a little African-American boy and the day that he spends during the first snowfall of the season. He goes outside, he's playing in snow, he's making snowmen, having a snowball fight. It's just a big adventure. It's also beautifully illustrated by Ezra Jack Keats. He wrote and illustrated the book. And it's a book that I read with my mother growing up, and it just really reminds me of my childhood. And it's a book that I reference quite frequently when I have new illustration jobs to do. It just really inspires me and brings about a lot of creative ideas.